Okay, adjusting the box height so we have the right down pressure on the rubbers is critical because that's putting the pressure and giving us our final look to our material. This particular machine had a special request from a customer to have slightly lighter weight rubbers on it. So how do I get the adjustment in that case? Because of the lighter weight rubbers, it wants to squish down and I was struggling to get the right balance. So what it is, I close the wings. Where the wings close, every time you bend rubber, it gets stiff. So whenever we're squeegeeing, we want the rubbers to be open because if I bend them, it's going to burn out the corners because you can't, so the mechanics of it. If you bend rubber, it's going to get stiff. But in this case, it works to our advantage because where this rubber, the 1/4 inch is very soft, I'm trying to adjust the proper down pressure and balance on the squeegee boxes. What I did is I actually folded my wings in. So if you look down here, I folded the wings in, and that gave enough stiffness to the rubber and balance so that I can adjust these two adjustments here. These were about right. I already had these two adjusted, so my balance on these two front rubbers are going to curve just a little bit, not a lot of down pressure, but just enough to contain the material and spread it, pre-spread it. And then when we get back here to these other rubbers, this balance will just keep a nice down pressure and help get that material spread out there. So by bending these in, I was able to make my adjustments so everything's sitting nice and flat on the ground at this point. And now as I start to pull forwards with the wings open, the rubber's going to curve a little bit, it's going to drop down and give me my proper down pressure. Most of the time this is going to be a 3/8 red urethane. That's a little stiffer material and it'll stand with the wings open. But in a situation like this where I had to use the 1/4 inch for the customer request, by folding the wings allowed me to help get the balance and adjustment to the box where we want it to be.